Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2011 Audi A1 Sport. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 120 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 53 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 15 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 29,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the metallic Shiraz Red and looks in good condition for age and mileage of the car. As we look inside, got the nice clean interior. Being the Sport, you also have the sports seats there, which are really comfy, and the leather steering wheel too. And then onto the dashboard, you have your pop-up display there in the centre for your FM radio and Bluetooth for your phone. And this car also has air conditioning. And then on the driver's door card, you have your electric mirror and front window controls. For a small hatchback, the A1 has a good sized boot, so nice and deep there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. The boot floor is also adjustable and it's at its lowest point at the moment, but you can increase it if you wish. And below that you also have your first aid kit as well as your tyre inflator kit too. Externally, the car comes with the 16-inch alloy wheels and also rear parking sensors, which were a factory option when the car was first ordered. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.